Oh, I just caught that one. Okay, where are you guys? Got that one. You should sit on this side, Rick.
Okay.
You should sit on this side.
Be better on this side.
I think so. Whoa! What was that?
Right there. The dolphin just came out. There's one there. Did you
There, I
see
caught that one. I got him again. Where are you again?
One over there.
Oh, I missed that one.
Yeah. One
I'm
over
looking
there.
for one.
Yeah. How fast you go. Now it's way over there.
Oh my gosh. There he just came up.
He's over there.
Just came up for a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a little one. Oh, there's another little one. It's coming this way.
Come right up here.
Oh, there you are.
Come on up and say hello.
Oh, he went under the boat.
Yep. Right there.